Good morning, sir.
In last class, we completed the SAP history, right? Yes. Any questions on SAP history? Yes. Any questions, sir? No, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah. I will explain briefly. Yeah. SAP full form is System Application Product and Data Processing. It is a one of the software application to process the client to data. Okay. This is a ERP software. ERP full form is Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay. 5 former IBM employees, they started in 1959 and they released in 1972. Okay. 1972 name, they integrated the name as SAP, System Application Product and Data Processing. In the initial 2-3 years, none of the customers was interested to move from their existing system to SAP. That's why they sold to IBM, and after that they purchased back from IBM to these 5 members. And first version they released in 1978, R1 version, real-time 1-tier architecture, real-time 2-tier architecture. Last version is R3, real-time 3-tier architecture. Okay. 1978 and next major release they released in 1995 ECC, Enterprise Central Component, and same version under they released the new GL in 2001, and 2012 to 2002 to 2012 same in ECC level they released the enhancement packs 1 to 9 enhancement packs they released, and 2012 they introduced the HANA, and first version in HANA, first version they released in 2015 October period, 1510 2016 same October period, 2017 September, 2018 September, 19 September, 20 September, 21 September. Latest version is 2021 9th period, 2109. This is the latest version. And majorly we have 2 versions in SAP. One is ECC version and other one is a HANA version. ECC version is older version and HANA version is a latest version. Then what is the difference between ECC and HANA? ECC version backend database is Oracle database, and S4 HANA is SAP own database, that is HANA database. Due to this database changes, we have the 99% technical changes and 1 to 5% we have the functionality changes. Okay. Otherwise remaining 95% whatever we are using in ECC, same details available in S4 HANA as well. Okay, we have very minimal changes, 1 to 5% in HANA box. Otherwise everything same as ECC. And what is the major advantages compared to ECC HANA? The major benefit is one is a cloud option is available in HANA, and other one is SAP applications we can use, app based system we can use, and other one is high performance option. Okay, high performance we have in HANA level. Okay, coming to performance improvement, ECC we have the lot of performance issues, and S4 HANA we don't have any performance issue. It is executing the reports and everything, the performance side good compared to ECC. Okay, following right, sir? And other one is SAP benefits. SAP benefit, SAP advantage. What is the first advantage? First advantage is SAP is fully integrated software. SAP is fully integrated software. What does it mean by integration? What does it mean by integration? Integration in the sense linking the one process to other process. Linking the one process to other process, that is the integration. Example, X person. Okay, X person requirement is he want to purchase one mobile from Sony company. Okay, X person he want to purchase one mobile from Sony company. Okay, Sony company. Sony is using SAP system. Sony is using SAP system. If you have SAP, what is the advantage? If you don't have SAP, what is the disadvantage? We'll discuss. Okay. Example. Sony is using SAP system. Sony is using the SAP system. Now, from X side, what is the purchase process of generally? What is the purchase process generally? X side, okay, X start the inquiry process based on the X requirement. Okay, X person responsibility is give your inquiry information in the market suppliers. Example, one of the supplier is Sony. And once inquiry is received from Sony side, okay, then Sony will give the quotation to X person, right, sir? Example, I'm the person. My requirement is I want to purchase the laptop, but I don't know which laptop is good. Okay, I don't know which laptop is good. Then, based on the available supplier, I will start my inquiry in the market. Based on my inquiry, supplier will provide the quotation. Similarly, Sony is one of the supplier. Sony provided the quotation, right? Sony provided the quotation. Once quotation is raised, if our quotation is okay from Sony side, if the customer is satisfied with our quotation, then customer will raise the purchase order, right? Customer will raise the purchase order. Purchase order is the agreement between customer and company, supplier, okay? Based on the customer purchase order, it will start the next process, okay? That is, this customer purchase order, who will receive from Sony side? This customer purchase order, who will receive from Sony side? X is a customer. Sony side, X is a Sony customer. Okay, X is raise the purchase order to Sony. From Sony side, who will receive this purchase order? Sales team, right? Sales team. Okay. Sales team, example, 1 quantity or 100 quantity or 1 lakh mobile quantities. That purchase order, this purchase order, Sony sales team will receive. Okay. Sales team will receive the customer X purchase order and they will check what is the item, what is the tax details mentioned, what is the amount they mentioned, is there any discount they specified, what is the address they specified, okay, what is the all the things they will check. Sony SD team, sales team will check all the information in the purchase order. If purchase order is okay, then they will create the sales order. Okay, sales team will create the sales order, right, sir? Sales team will create the sales order with the same information. What is the item? What is the sales item? What is the tax? What is the sales tax? What is the item amount? What is the discount? What is the address? X, A, Y, Z, everything they will specify in sales order. Whatever information required, that information they will specify. Sales team, Sony sales team will specify in the sales order level during the sales order creation. This is not related to SAP. This is general industry process, right, sir? Once a sales order is ready, sales order is created from Sony side. Next, they will send this request to stock team, warehouse team. Warehouse team, that means example, finished good, mobile storage location, mobile warehouse. If mobile is available in the stock department, then they will pack the goods as per the customer requirement. They will pack the goods. If the stock is available, then they will deliver the goods to customer. They will deliver the goods to customer. If stock is not available, then what is the process? If the stock is not available, other case, one is stock is available and other one is stock is not available. Stock is not available case, this request, okay, this request we have to send it to manufacturing team for manufacturing production. Okay, we have to send, we receive the sales order from X customer with quantity 1 lakh. Okay, but stock is not available in warehouse, please start the production. Okay, please start the production on or before August 1st, because delivery date is August 2nd, August 5th. Meanwhile, please start the manufacturing. Okay, yes, we have to send the request to manufacturing, stock request to manufacturing team. What is the manufacturing team responsibility? Next step from manufacturing side, they have to pick up the required raw material, right? They will send the raw material request to raw material storage location department, warehouse department, right, sir? This is common, right? This is not related to SAP, sir. This is common industry process. Okay, before starting the manufacturing, it's required the raw material. Without raw material, we cannot manufacturing. We cannot start the production. That's why manufacturing team will send the request to storage department, raw material department. We receive the so production request, and it's required the 1000 quantities. 1000 quantity. Please send the quantities to production. If stock is available, if raw material stock is available, then they will pick up the stock from raw material department and they will send it to manufacturing department. Manufacturing department, they will complete the manufacturing and they will send it to stock department. Okay, next sales team will pick up the stock from sales department and finally sales team will deliver the goods to customer. Right? This is the end point. Okay, sales team will deliver the goods to customer. If stock is available, raw material stock is available. In case raw material stock also not available. Okay, if raw material stock is available, then they will stock department will send the raw material to manufacturing for production. Once production is completed, then finished good till customer delivery. Okay, customer delivery. If raw material stock is not available, if the raw material stock is not available, then what is the next activity? Next activity is this stock department will send the request to procurement department, purchase department, right, sir? Purchase department, that is material management. Okay, they will send the request like this. We receive the sales order, we don't have the production. Okay, we don't have the production and we receive the production request also, and to start the production we don't have the raw material, please procure from outside. Okay, they will send this request to procurement department, material management department, procurement department. They will start the inquiry, right? They will start the inquiry. Who are all the suppliers available in the market? Okay, and they will ask all suppliers to provide the quotation. Okay, example, they receive the 1000 quotations or 100 quotations or 2 quotations. Based on the 2 quotations, they will finalize which quotation is good. Okay, which quotation is suitable. Okay, they will check and they will raise the purchase order. Okay, procurement department will raise the purchase order for raw material procurement, right? For raw material procurement, they will raise the purchase order. Here, this purchase order, they will send it to vendor and vendor will send the sales order. Right, sir? Okay, this is again procurement process. This procurement process, we have to send the purchase order to vendor. Vendor will send the sales order to us. This purchase order and sales order is agreement, just papers. In case if something is best from our side or supplier side, okay, supplier side, we will take the legal actions, necessary action, not only legal, necessary action will take based on this purchase order and sales order information. Okay, once the purchase order and sales order is completed, then vendor will deliver the goods to us. Okay, that is goods received from vendor. Okay, this goods directly will store the goods in stock department. Right, sir? GR Once goods is received from vendor, then we will store this stock in raw material location, and raw material is available, stock is available, then issue the raw material to production and complete the production, store in storage department and deliver the goods to customer once FG is available. Okay, here sir, we receive the goods and subsequently we'll receive the invoice also. We'll receive the invoice also from vendor. Next one is invoice receipt. This invoice receipt responsibility is FICO responsibility. Okay, why? Because based on the invoice, we have to pay the payment to vendor. The payment, okay, based on the invoice, we have to pay the payment to vendor. Okay, here next one, once invoice is received from FICO side, we have to pay the payment to vendor, right? Payment is related to FICO accounts payable department. Okay, accounts payable departments. Accounts department will pay the payment to vendor based on invoice, vendor invoice. Whatever invoice is available, based on that invoice, accounts department will pay the payment to vendor. This is generally cycle, industry, manufacturing cycle, not only manufacturing, complete cycle from customer to raw material procurement and payment. Okay, yeah, once the material is available from finished goods side, then we have to deliver the goods to customer. Okay, we have to deliver the goods to customer, and same subsequently we have to issue the invoice also. Whatever goods we delivered, that goods related invoice we have to issue to customer. Okay, we have to issue to customer, and based on the invoice, based on this invoice, customer will do the payment to us. Okay, customer will do the payment to us, and this payment account to department will receive. Okay, accounts department will receive the payment from customer based on the sales invoice. Right, sir? Based on the sales invoice, accounts department will receive the payment from customer. Okay, and other one, based on the vendor invoice, accounts department will pay the payment to vendor. Right? This is complete cycle. This is complete cycle. Okay? Yes. This is complete cycle from customer to till payment and receipt. Earlier, sir, before SAP, we don't have automatic integration between one module to other module. We don't have automatic integration between one module to other module earlier before SAP. In SAP was started first. SAP was the first software to integrate all industry process in real time. Okay. Earlier, we don't have automatic integration from customers purchase order to sales department. Here now everything is automation, sir. Everything is automation. Once purchase order is received, then automatically it will generate the sales order in sales department. If stock is available, the request automatically it will move to stock department. If stock is available, then it will pick up the stock and it will deliver the goods to customer. If stock is not available, system it will generate the request automatically. It will generate the request automatically. Stock is not available. Start the manufacturing. Complete the production. Okay, this is our requirement. 100 quantity is our requirement. 1000 quantities are our requirement. 2000 quantities are our requirement based on the sales order quantity. Okay, based on the sales order quantity, system will create the request automatically and it will send it to manufacturing department. Okay, sir, earlier we have the one is, if automation is not available, then we can do the process. We can use the process. How, sir? We can use the manual. Okay, manual. What is the difference between manual and automation? One is time delay. Second one is the manual mistakes. And third one is cost. Okay, cost. We have to pay the employees cost, right? Okay. Each department, at least you have to maintain 2 to 3 resources. Okay, 2 to 3 resources you have to maintain each department. If this is automated, then this manpower is not required. Okay, this manpower is not required. Complete this process. Okay, complete this process. You can recruit 2 to 3 resources for monitoring. Okay, instead of 30 resources. Okay, you can reduce complete 90% and you can keep 10% resources to monitor the all this process. Okay, in case of some failures, any failure, then these monitoring team, they will monitor and they will rectify the failures. Okay, yeah, this is the advantage. In case of manual also we can use the process, but one is time delay. Okay, time delay. Example, sales department, sales manager on leave today. Okay, or sales manager first half is on holiday, and first half. Okay, first half, till first half, no one will send the request to next department in case of manual. But automation, no one will stop this automation. If information is available, then it will raise the request automatically. Right, sir? This is the complete automation process. Okay, complete automation process introduced in SAP. This is available since 1972. Okay, this is available since 1972. Earlier, before 2000, before 2000 only SAP level we have the integration. Okay, we don't have any other integration. Yeah. Okay, this SAP from day one onwards, we have the complete integration within SAP, one module to other module. What is the one module? Here, one module is sales module. Sales module to other module is manufacturing module, warehouse module, stock module, okay, procurement module, and finance module, everything. We have the automatic integration between one module to other module in SAP from day one onward. Okay, from day one onward. That's why this is the SAP main advantage. Okay, if you use the automation, we can eliminate the manual mistakes based on my mood. Sometimes we are all humans, right? Sometimes we do some mistakes. Okay, instead of one quantity, we'll update the 10 quantity. Instead of 10 quantities, sometime update the 100 quantities or some other amount or discount something. We may do the mistakes, right? To control that, do like implement the automation. If you implement the automation, then based on the information, available information, it will complete the process automatically without any manual mistakes. Okay, first advantage is we can avoid the manual mistakes, no time delay, and third one is cost. Okay, resource cost. We can reduce the resource cost if you use the automation. This is the one of the main advantage. Following, right? Please note down this, sir. Please note down this. This is important. SAP. This is main SAP benefit. This is SAP main benefit. Please note down this. Example, Sony or some other company, Dell or some other company. Take any example. Sony. First point is SAP fully integrated software. Example, SAP is fully integrated software. Example, X is a person. X customer. X customer raised the PO for Sony Mobile. Sony Mobiles. One quantity or 1000 quantity or 1 lakh quantity. And after the, what is the process? Next process is customer side, general market. Okay. We have to start the inquiry. Which supplier is best supplier? Who is providing good material? Quality product. Okay. Price wise, discount wise, taxes wise, delivery wise. We have to inquiry, we have to get the quotation. Based on the quotation, raise the purchase order. Raise the purchase order. From Sony side, who will pick up this purchase order? Sales team. Sales team will pick up the, check the PO. Okay, sales team will check the PO. What is the item? Okay, what is the item? Nothing but material. Which good there? They raise the purchase order. What is the material? And what is the tax information they specified? Everything they will check, sir. All the details they will check in purchase order level. Next one, based on the purchase order, sales team will issue the sales order. Sales team will issue the sales order. Sales order level also they will specify the what is the sales item, what is the sales item tax, what is the sales item amount, what is the sales item discount, okay, what is the customer address. Okay, after sales order, then sales team will check the stock in stock department. Okay, sales team will check the stock in FG stock department. FG stock department. If stock is available, then then sales team will pick up the stock. Just understand the arrow mark, sir. Okay, this mark. Sales team will pick up the stock from stock department. and they will deliver the goods to customer. Sales team will deliver the goods to customer. Sales team will deliver the goods to customer. Next one is, based on the delivered goods information, they will raise the sales invoice. Okay, sales team will issue the invoice, sales invoice to customer. Based on the delivery, sales team will issue the invoice. Sales team will issue the invoice. Sales team will issue the invoice. In case if the stock is available. If the stock is not available, another case. If stock is not available, stock is not available, please note down, complete this process. If stock is not available, if stock is not available, then stock department will send the request to production department. Then stock department, FG stock department will send the request to production department. Stock department will send the request to production department. Production department. They will complete the production in case if raw material stock is available. Okay. Manufacturing department will pick up the raw material from stock department. Raw material stock department. Here also, if raw material stock is available, they will pick up the raw material from raw material department and complete the manufacturing and deliver the goods to FG stock department. FG stock department. Following, right? Manufacturing department, they will raise the request to stock department, raw material stock. If raw material stock is available, then they will deliver the raw material to manufacturing department. In case if the stock is not available, other case, if stock is not available, if stock is not available, then they will send the request to procurement department. Then they will send the request to procurement department. Then they will send the request to procurement department. Procurement department, here also, based on our requirement, we will inquire in the market. Okay, we will inquire in the market. We will get the quotations from respective suppliers. We will receive the quotations from suppliers, and finally we have to decide which quotation is best. Okay, we have to decide and we have to raise the purchase order, create the purchase order. Okay, create the purchase order, and purchase order we have to send it to vendor. Purchase order we have to send it to vendor. Next one, based on our purchase order, vendor will send the sales order. Right? Vendor will send the sales order. Based on this, next one, we will receive the, based on our purchase order. Based on our purchase order, vendor will deliver the goods. Okay, we have to receive the goods from vendor, that is GR. Goods receipt or goods received from vendor. Goods received or goods received from vendor. Once goods is received, then we will store this material in raw material storage department. Raw material storage department. Now material is available, stock is available, send it to manufacturing, complete the manufacturing, send it to finished good, and once the finished stock is available, then sales team will pick up and deliver the goods to customer, right? GR is stored in raw material location. Okay. After GR, next one is invoice. Invoice received from vendor. 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 Next one. This box is important. Accounts department. Accounts department. Accounts department. Accounts department. Accounts department will receive the payment from customer based on our sales. Accounts department will receive the payment from customer. Okay. Accounts department will receive the payment from customer, and other one, accounts department will pay the payment to vendor for raw material procurement. Okay. Here accounts department is doing two activities. One is receipt activity, other one is a payment activity. Okay. One is a receipt. Payment is receiving from customer and paying to vendors. This is within SAP one module to other module integration. Okay, please note down. This is within SAP one module to other module integration. Within SAP one module to other module integration. This is general industry process. Okay, this process SAP is automated. Okay, we have the one module to other module automatic integration. We have the within SAP one module to other module automatic integration. No manual process. What is the benefit, sir? Integration benefits. One is we can eliminate the manual mistakes. Okay, no manual mistakes. Next one, cost efficiency. Next one, time. Okay, time saving. Okay, one is the time save, and the second one is cost efficiency, and the third one is control the manual mistakes. Okay, control the manual mistakes. Any questions, sir? Any questions on within SAP one module to other module integration? One module to other module integration. No? Next one. Next one.
Oh, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Sir, I have a doubt. So you said that purchase order will send to the vendor, right? So vendor will send the S4. So what is that S4 means?
Sales order.
Okay.
We are selling the, we are sending the sales order to customer, right? From vendor side.
Yes, yes.
Vendor side also, vendor will send the sales order to customer. Who is vendor customer? Sony is a vendor customer. Okay. Sony is a vendor customer. I am procuring the material from L&T. Sony is procuring the raw material from L&T. L&T customer is Sony and Sony vendor is L&T. Okay, what is the deal here? They both are business partners, Sony and L&T. Here they are doing the procurement activity. Sony is procuring the material from L&T, and L&T will deliver the goods to Sony. Sony will pay the payment to L&T. Okay, another one here X instead of X. Example, DMart. DMart is procuring the material from Sony. DMart is Sony customer. Okay, DMart is Sony customer. Sony is DMart vendor. Right? Here business partner, vendor customer relationship. Okay, vendor customer relationship. PO meaning purchase order, SO meaning sales order. Okay. Next one. No questions, right? Within SAP, one module to other module integration. Here, finance module to sales integration, finance module to procurement integration, finance module to manufacturing integration, everything integrated in SAP. Okay, everything, all the modules, not only one, just a high level I have updated here. Okay, high level, some modules I have updated here, but we have around 150 modules in SAP, all modules integrated one to one. Okay, all modules integrated one to one, all 150 modules integrated. Okay, yes. Next one, next integration is SAP system to non-SAP system. Heading sir, SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system integration. SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system integration. SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system integration. SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system integration. Example, same X customer is a Flipkart customer. Okay, I am the person, sir. I am a Flipkart customer. I am booking the Sony mobile in Flipkart site. Okay, I am booking the mobile in Flipkart site. Same Sony mobile. Sony mobile, I am booking in Flipkart site. Okay, Flipkart is not, they are not using the SAP system. They are using the online web application, some software they are using. Okay, now example, X customer is created the purchase order in Flipkart. This Flipkart purchase order automatically, okay, based on the interfaces, okay, the data, Flipkart purchase orders information, it will send it to Sony company. Okay, Sony company, and automatically whatever customer is created the purchase order, same purchase order it will flow to Sony, and Sony sales team will check the purchase order. Okay, if you create the purchase order, then you will receive the one message. Okay, that is supplier is checking your order, right? Before creating the sales order, okay, you will receive the one message, customer is checking your, sorry, when supplier is checking your order, like that you will receive the message. Same here, once purchase order is flow to Flipkart, purchase order is flow to Sony, then Sony will send the communication, we will check the purchase order and we will send the next communication, right? Same that information Sony will send to Flipkart will send it to customer. Okay, right sir? Once you created the purchase order, okay, sometimes supplier will not pick up that purchase order information due to stock unavailability and other things. Okay, that's why you will receive that message. Okay, Once customer purchase order is picked, okay, supplier will pick the customer purchase order, then they will raise the sales order. Okay, they will check the same, this process earlier, whatever we discussed, it will start that process. Okay, Sony sales team will check the customer purchase order, all the details. Okay, and they will raise the sales order to customer. Okay, once a sales order is created, it will send the sales order, sales information to stock department. If stock is available, then it will pick up the stock and it will deliver the goods to customer. If stock is not available, then what is the next activity? Next activity,
They'll be
they will
to
send the information to
manufacturing.
manufacturing team and it will start the manufacturing. Okay. Next, manufacturing team will send the request to raw material department. Okay, because raw material is required. If raw material is available, then pick up and complete the manufacturing. If raw material is not available, then what is the
Go
next
to the material
activity? Next,
procurement.
procure the raw material. They will send the request to procurement department. Okay. Next, to procurement department, they will start the inquiry, quotation, purchase order, sales order. They will complete and they will receive the goods from vendor. Once goods is available, goods is received, then directly we'll place the goods in raw material storage department, right? GR, raw material storage department. Okay, next one is invoice receipt. Vendor payment, customer receipt. This is a common process. Okay, this integration also we have in SAP. Okay, earlier first one is within SAP one module to other module integration, and this is SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system integration. What does that mean by non-SAP system to SAP? Flipkart is a non-SAP system, right? They are not using the SAP, they are using some other software, that is other than SAP. Other than SAP, nothing but non-SAP system. This customer, X customer is created the purchase order in Flipkart. That means non-SAP system. This non-SAP system information is flowing to Sony SAP system based on your SAP system to non-SAP system integration, and other one non-SAP system to SAP system integration. This is non-SAP system to SAP system integration. And what is the mean by SAP to non-SAP integration? SAP is sending the information. Please wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Customer, supplier is checking your order. That information, Sony will send it to Flipkart. Flipkart will send it this information to customer. Or once Sony is deliver the goods, the delivery information they will send it to Flipkart. Example, you will check the complete flow, right? Order placed, next one picked, packed, delivered. Okay, some bill generated, payment, some entire flow we can check in the Flipkart level. That is these two, one is a in and other one is a out. Okay, one is in interface. Through in interface it will flow the data from Flipkart to SAP, and SAP will send the data from SAP to outside SAP through outside interface. Okay, inbound interface and outbound interfaces. Okay, through this interface we can send the data from SAP system to non-SAP system, non-SAP system to SAP system. Okay, right, sir? Earlier example, we don't have this process, we don't have this automatic integration, then also we can follow the manual process. We can it will work, but lot of time delay, lot of manual mistakes, and you have to recruit lot of employees also to monitor this process, right? To avoid this all three, it's required the automation. If you follow the automation, then reduce the employees cost efficiency, and the second one, avoid the manual mistakes, and next one is time saving.
Time management.
Okay, you can note down this, sir. You can note down only this three: ex customer, PO, delivery, Flipkart, PO, and goods delivery. You can note down this box. And other one, this complete process is same as above. Okay, right? Any question, sir? SAP to non-SAP, non-SAP to SAP integration.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is what is the FG full form, sir, in the stock? FG stock
Finished,
department.
finished good, sir. Finished good.
Yeah, okay.
Finished good. Final product. Final material.
Yeah, sir, okay.
RM is a raw material.
Okay.
Raw material, finished good, manufacturing department. End product. We procured the raw material. Okay. We processed and we processed in the production, and the final product is finished good. Okay. Next one is one SAP system to other SAP system integration. One SAP system to other SAP system integration. One SAP system to other SAP system integration. So since 2000, okay, Sony implemented the SAP ECC in 2000. Year 2000, Sony company implemented the SAP system. Earlier they were using the Oracle or some other software, but in year 2000 they moved from old software to SAP software. From 2000 onwards they are using the SAP system. Now, but lot of their business is expanded, almost like they have around across the globe 70 countries they are operating the business. They have the around 700 company codes, example 700 company codes, and they have the lot of performance issues they are observing in ECC system. Okay, due to that, and SAP is provided the information, instead of using the ECC, use the S4 HANA. But they, like, in the board meeting they discussed, but no, business users they are comfortable to use in ECC only. Use the ECC system. But from management side they want to go implement the S4 HANA system. This case, okay, this case still you can use the both systems. Okay, in this case reporting side you can use the HANA system, but end user postings you can use still ECC system. Okay, example, currently I'm continuing the ECC system, and recently I procured the one more license in S4 HANA, but I'm not posting anything in S4 HANA. Okay, this is only I'm using for reporting side. Okay, everything, each and everything, all day-to-day business operations, all business operations we are doing in ECC system only. Okay, but I linked ECC system to S4 HANA due to this linkage. Okay, if you connect ECC system to S4 HANA, this is SAP system, this is SAP system. If you integrate one SAP system to other SAP system, okay, one system you can follow for postings, other system you can use for reporting. Okay, example this. Okay, this is the ECC system and S4 HANA system. ECC I am using for postings, HANA is I am using for reporting. Okay, now example, today I posted 100 records. Today I posted 100 records in ECC system. Based on this linkage connection, all 100 records automatically it will flow to other system. Okay, other S4 HANA system it will flow. Okay, whatever data is available here, same data it will flow to S4 HANA, and S4 HANA system you can use for reporting. Right, sir? Example, this is an example. This reporting system I'm using for financial reporting, profitability reporting, etc. Okay, this is a SAP, one SAP system to other SAP system integration. One SAP system to other SAP system integration. You can note down this, sir. Business activities posting in ECC. Business activities posting in SAP ECC system. Example 100 records. Example 100 records. Same records. Same records. It will flow to HANA system. HANA system for reporting. Okay. Sir, you can note down integration benefits. Integration benefit. Those three, sir. One is a time saving. Integration benefits are time saving, cost efficiency. Third one, control the mistakes. Control the mistakes. Sir, don't join as a guest. Please change your name. Today is not first day, right? Don't join as a guest, sir, please. Next one, any questions on integration, sir? I explained total 3 type of integrations. One is within SAP one module to other module integration. Second one is SAP to non-SAP and non-SAP to SAP. And third one SAP system to other SAP system integration. Okay. Next one, SAP is a user-friendly software. Next point is next benefit. Second benefit, within integration we discussed the 3 points, and the next one is second advantage. SAP software is a user-friendly software. SAP software is a user-friendly software. Yeah, SAP is user-friendly software. Please note down, sir. SAP is a user-friendly software. SAP is a user-friendly software. Everyone can understand easily. and and easily, not and from processing side, from processing side and reporting side. If something is not understandable, if something is not understandable, you can download the SAP help guide. You can download the SAP help guide and refer the SAP help guide and refer. Sir, this software is a user-friendly software. Anyone can understand easily. Okay, anyone can understand easily. It is a user-friendly software. If something is not understandable, then we have the SAP is provided the guide. Okay, processing guide. You can check the processing guide and refer and process the transactions. Okay, we have the help guide. You can download and you can refer the help guide and process. It is useful in case if you are not able to understand the process. Okay, next one, next point is next advantage, reporting flexibility and custom reports. Reporting flexibility and customized reports. SAP has already delivered the all industries required reports. All industries required reports.
Sir, could you repeat once again?
SAP has already delivered. SAP has already delivered all industries required reports. All industry required or related reports. We can use as per our requirement. We can use as per our requirement. We can use as per our requirement. If your requirement is not matching the standard, if your requirement is not matching the standard, if your requirement is not matching the standard, SAP delivered the report. Standard SAP delivered the reports. Then you can create your own customized reports. Then you can create your own customized reports. Then you can create your own customized reports as per requirement. Sir, it is simple. Everything is available. Okay, example, finance side, trading account, P&L account, balance sheet, vendor aging information, customer aging information, okay, stock information, production information, vendors information, customers information, everything is available. In case if something is not available or as per your requirement, it is not matching the standard report, then go with customized. Go customization and develop your customized reports. Okay. Next one, client to data security. Client data security. Client to data security. SAP is a fully secured software. SAP is fully secured software. SAP is fully secured software. No one can access, no one can access the SAP system, because within server they added the lot of firewalls. Or gate walls. Firewalls or gate walls. Restrictions are simple. Okay. This is complete 4 advantages. First one is integration. Second one is What is second one? Second one is user-friendly software. It is simple software. Okay, everyone can understand easily. Okay, this is not a complicated software. It is user-friendly software. Okay. Third one is reporting flexibility. Okay, reporting flexibility. We have the reporting flexibility. SAP delivered all the industry standard reports. If some report is not matching with your requirement, then create a customized report, your own report. Okay, you can create your own report in case if something is not matching. Okay, something is not matching, then create a customized report. Next one, client data security. SAP is a fully secured software. No one can access the system. We have the lot of restrictions. Okay. Last one, SAP disadvantage. SAP disadvantage.
High product cost and high maintenance cost.
Yes. SAP disadvantages. High product cost and maintenance cost. High product cost and maintenance cost. SAP is a costly software. SAP is a costly software. SAP is a costly software. Small cap and medium cap industries. Small cap and medium cap industries. They cannot bear SAP product cost and maintenance cost. They cannot bear the SAP product cost and maintenance cost. Product nothing but license cost, sir. SAP license cost and maintenance cost. Because of this reason, till date, small scale and medium scale industries, small scale and medium scale industries not implemented or not using this. Small scale and medium scale industries are not using SAP system or not implemented SAP system. Okay. We completed the SAP benefits, advantages and disadvantages. We have 4 benefits. One is the integration. Second one is user friendly. Third one is reporting flexibility. Fourth one is
Client data
security. And disadvantage is only one, high level, that is high product cost and service cost. High product and maintenance cost. Next one is, next topic, SAP modules. Next topic is SAP modules. Next topic is SAP modules. SAP modules. Please note down, next topic is SAP modules. SAP modules. So this SAP module I will explain in next session. Any questions are till here? Any doubts?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, in yesterday's class we discussed about the this S4 HANA benefits, right?
Yes.
Here this
S4
one.
HANA
Down,
benefits.
just there. It's HANA benefits. So what is that cloud option, sir?
Cloud option is like this is a Based on the cloud only, we can integrate to mobile devices and other external devices.
Okay.
Okay, we can integrate earlier. This is the one of the new innovation, ma'am. Cloud is like all the softwares are integrating to cloud. Okay, based on the cloud only, we can integrate it to app-based applications. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay, then I'm good. Okay, I'm closing the today's session. We'll connect to tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for joining.